Plants make their food. Highlights of the lesson. Student will know that plants make their own food. The process of making food by plants. How do non-green plants make their food? Uses of plants. Welcome, young scientists, to an exciting journey into the world of plants. Today, we are going to uncover one of the most amazing and essential secrets of the plant kingdom, the incredible ability of plants to make their own food. Plants are the only living things that make their own food. Plants do not move from one place to another. Then how do they get their food? Plants make food in their green leaves. That is why leaves are called the kitchen or the food factory of the plant. The thick line in the middle of the lamina is called the main vein or the mid-vein. There are many thin lines arising from the midrib which are called veins. Veins transport water and minerals to the leaf from the roots and carry food from the leaf to the other parts of the plant. They also provide shape and support to the leaf. The arrangement of veins on the lamina of a leaf is called venation. It is mainly of two types, reticulate and parallel venation. In some leaves, the veins are irregularly distributed over the entire lamina, forming a network. Such leaves are said to have reticulate venation. For example, peepal, guava, and mango leaves have reticulate venation. In some leaves, the veins run parallel to each other. Such leaves are said to have parallel venation. The leaves of plants such as banana, grass, and wheat have parallel venation. The underside of a leaf contains many tiny pores. We can see them only through a microscope. These pores are called stomata. Stomata helps the plant to breathe. Air enters the leaves through them. They also help the plant to give out water vapor into the air. This process is called transpiration. Do you know plants also take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide during respiration? The process of making food. Leaves have a green substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives leaves their green color. Roots take in water and minerals from the soil and then pass them to the leaves through the stem. The stomata takes in carbon dioxide from the air. The chlorophyll traps energy from sunlight. Leaves use this energy of the sunlight to change water and carbon dioxide into glucose. In this process, oxygen is given out. The plant uses this glucose as its food. It stores a part of this glucose in the form of starch. The process by which plants make food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. In the word photosynthesis, photo means light and synthesis means putting together. How do plants use their food? Plants use their food for various purposes. They use the energy they get from the food to grow and produce flowers, fruits, seeds, and more leaves. Plants store the extra food prepared by them as starch. Starch is stored in different parts such as fruits, leaves, seeds, roots, or stems. Plants use this stored food when they cannot prepare food by photosynthesis. Animals and human beings eat these parts of plants as food. How non-green plants get their food? Some plants do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot make food. These plants grow on stale food or dead animals and plants and get their food from them. Moles and mushrooms are examples of non-green plants. Do you know? A cactus does not have leaves. Its green stem contains chlorophyll. So, photosynthesis takes place in the stem. Flow of energy in living things. All living beings need energy to live and work. This energy comes from food. As we know, green plants make their own food. Humans and other animals get their food from plants. Green plants trap energy from the sunlight during photosynthesis to make food. This energy is passed on to humans and animals when they eat these plants. This is how energy flows from the sun to plants and then to animals and humans from the plants. Uses of plants. We depend on plants for oxygen, food, and many useful things in our daily life. Food. We eat the fruits such as apple, banana and grapes, and nuts such as cashew and almond of some plants. We get vegetables from the stem, leaves, roots and flowers of some plants. The seeds of some plants such as mustard, coconut and sunflower are crushed to extract oil. We use oil in cooking food. We also use oil to make soaps, creams, shampoos and some medicines. We get spices from plants. Spices add flavor to our food. Coriander, pepper, cardamom, clove, cumin, cinnamon, and bay leaves are some common spices. Plants give us tea, coffee, and sugar. Tea is prepared from the leaves of the tea plants. Coffee is made from the seeds of coffee plants. Sugar is made from the juice of sugarcane stems. Medicines. We get medicines from certain plants such as neem, amla, tulsi, turmeric, and brahmi. Tulsi leaves help to cure coughs and colds. Turmeric is used to heal wounds. Wood. We get wood from trees. We make pencils, chairs, tables, doors, windows, and many other things from wood. Firewood is used for heating and cooking. Fibers. We get fibers from plants such as cotton and jute. Fiber from cotton plants is used to make cotton cloth. Fiber from the jute plants is used to make clothes, bags, sacks, ropes and mats. Gum, rubber and paper. Plants give us gum, rubber and paper. Gum is made from the juice of the kikar tree. Rubber is made from the juice of the rubber tree. Paper is made from plants such as bamboo and eucalyptus. Perfumes. Flowers of certain plants such as rose, lily, and jasmine are used to make perfumes. Coir. Coconut fiber or coir is obtained from the outer husk of coconut. It is used to make ropes, floor mats, door mats, and mattresses. Let's recall. The process by which plants make food from carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is called photosynthesis. Plants use their food to grow, produce flowers, fruits, seeds, and more leaves. Plants store extra food in different parts such as fruits, leaves, seeds, roots, or stems. Plants help to pass on energy from the sun to animals and humans. Plants and animals depend on each other in order to live. Plants give us fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, oils and spices. Plants also give us wood, medicines, fibers, paper, gum, rubber, perfumes and coir. Glossary. Stomata. Tiny pores on the underside of a leaf. Chlorophyll. The green substance in leaves that helps a plant to prepare food. Glucose. A form of food made by plants. Photosynthesis. The process by which plants make food in the presence of sunlight.